All right, we're checking out a house out here in Vancouver. I'll check it out in a second and you guys can see it out. So as you can see, you got the living room, you got the fireplace right there. Looks like a little bit of patchwork that they did in there, but it's a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Nice little size. Got the little kitchen in here. Got a nice little yard. I like it, I'm digging it. Got a closet up in here. Looks like a linen closet too. Got your bedrooms in here. Baseboard heating, got that in there. So as we got the kitchen over here, got some of the appliances. Looks like might be the original appliances. I actually like those, it's kind of cool. We got the cabinets, okay, I'm liking it. Little piano in the entrance. Got the closet up in here. Linen closet. Then we got one of the bedrooms, 2. It's actually pretty good size. Got the bathroom over here, standard bathroom. Got the shower, got a tub, okay. And we got the last bedroom. Some of the built-in closet. I've never seen that. That's actually pretty cool. That's it. And then we got the back here. So we got the little bath over here. The bathroom. We got the little washer and dryer in here. So you can definitely take advantage of that. And not much to say on that, but that's pretty much it. But this one is located out in Vancouver. It's right in Hazel. Nice little location, little spot, but it's actually cute.